Hey guys, so for this video, I'm going to show you how we can connect your Zoom account with Google Calendar. So first you want to go ahead and open a new tab. And over here at the top right, you will see this option that says Google Apps. So just click on it and then scroll down. And we want to open the Chrome Web Store. And over here at the search bar, we want to search for Zoom Chrome extension. And you want to download this specific extension, so just click on Add to Chrome, then click on Add Extension, and then click on the Zoom icon up here. Then you just want to go ahead and sign in, and you just want to make sure that you're using the same account for both Zoom and Google Calendar, and you want to sign in that same account in this window. And now I'm going back to Google Calendar, and I'm going to create a meeting. I'm going to click on Make it a Zoom meeting. And now I'm going to my Zoom, and then I'm going to refresh this page. And as you can see, the meeting that I made in Google Calendar has synced into my Zoom application. So that's it. Thanks for watching.